Welcome to America Reads. We're college students who create fun learning activities for kids. Our activities are mainly focused in reading, writing, and math. In today's activity, we're going to be talking about how counting works hand in hand when dealing with addition and subtraction problems and how counting can help. We're going to start by going over some key vocabulary terms, including counting, addition, and subtraction, and then we are going to jump right in to some example problems before having you try some problems on your own. Let's begin.
The word that we'll be going over today is counting. Counting is when you say numbers in order while assigning a value to an item in a group. Our second word is addition. Addition is finding the total by adding or combining two or more numbers together. The third word we will be going over and our last key vocabulary term is subtraction. Subtraction is the act of taking a number away from another. Let's begin with our first problem by putting this all to the test. So let's start by counting how many of each shape we have and putting it below the shape on the line. So you can see that these are triangles. We have 1, 2, 3 triangles. Then you can see that we have some squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Now, you can either add them in the problem, or if you count all together, you would see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's try another problem. Let's start by once again counting. First of all, you can see that we have triangles and circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Put that on the line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Now, once again, you can do the problem or to show that when you count them all together, you'll get the same answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Keep up the great work. Let's keep going. You can see that we have circles and squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squares. Once again, you could do the problem, but we're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. All right, one last addition problem before we move on to subtraction. You can see that we have circles and triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, and 1, 2, 3 triangles. We'll add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that 5 plus 3 equals 8. The subtraction problems are going to be formatted slightly different. We once again have the shapes, and we are going to put how many of each are above it. Then we're going to add them all up like we did in our addition problems and put that number here. Once we're done with that, we're going to put the total when you add them up on this line, and for this problem we'll be subtracting 4 to get what is left over. Let's begin. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. If we count them all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for a total of 8. If we have 8, we take away 4, so say we get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Let's try another. In this problem, you can see that we're working with circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purple circles. If we add them together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 circles. If we take 13, subtract 6 from it, so let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Let's try one more together. You can see that we have circles and triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. If we put that all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 all together. We're going to be taking away 8. If we take away 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 minus 8 equals 7. You're going to try this problem on your own. First notice by which sign we are going to be using in this problem, which is an addition sign, and we are working with circles and triangles. Let's start by counting. So you will see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now if you added those up and counted them all together, how many would you get? That's right, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9.
You did such a good job today. You should now be able to identify the key terms, counting, addition, and subtraction, and feel comfortable enough with dealing with them in problems and in how they relate to counting. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Feel free to comment if you have any questions and like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back next week with more videos. You did such a great job today.